I learned from an antique dealer that the giving of brooches to a new bride is an old custom. The brooches were often family heirlooms, passed on from generation to generation, having some monetary value. So in giving them to a bride was actually giving her something of value to help her start off her new life. So we have just taken that old custom and given it a new twist with a beautiful, unique brooch bouquet. Since my daughter is an artist and she does not like to copycat others and she wants to be different and have a unique bouquet made from brooches, this was perfect for her. Our process created some great memories and from the donation some monumental attachments to friends and family that had a part with their contributions. Based on the average cost of a brooch, I estimate that this brooch bouquet's value is about $400, maybe more. This brooch bouquet will be a lasting memorabilia of her special wedding that will keep for a very long time, unlike a bouquet made with real flowers that will fade and wither away. We wish her and her new husband a lasting marriage, as this bouquet is a symbol of something of value that will last through time.